What's good, YouTube? This is Double O with Astro, and today I'd like to thank you guys for watching this video. I wanted to show you today of a review of Referral Frenzy, and I want to show you here what Referral Frenzy actually does for your business. And if you are into marketing where it comes with safelists and traffic exchanges, this is something that can be very helpful and can make your job a lot more easier when you're doing safe lists. And I know in the past a lot of people, mention that safe lists doesn't work anymore. And I'm here to tell you that that is not true. It's just how you present them and how you can use them. And when it comes down to Referral Frenzy, you could do so much just with a click of the button. And Referral Frenzy helped me out tremendously using this platform. So I'm gonna show you what Referral Frenzy does. Now this is the members page right here, okay? So once you sign up for Referral Frenzy, you're gonna see this here in the back office. Now they have everything that you need from solos, ads, banner ads. You also have an affiliate toolbox where you can use to promote Referral Frenzy, okay? So I'm gonna start off with what the main thing of using Referral Frenzy and what you can use for it. And I'm gonna click on send mail. Now, if you have lots of other traffic exchanges, this is just a list of traffic exchanges that you can use to plug in that Referral Frenzy presents. You can see them here. They have from regular mailers versus HTML mailers. You can see all of and they steady adding more mailers each time they get new referrals. They may have some people that talks to the support team and give them extra referrals that's not a part of this list, but you can sign up with one of these mailers, and once you sign up you have a check mark. So this check mark gives you let you know you signed up. And if you have any X's, that shows that you didn't have signed up. And you can sign up with your own time. And it's very time consuming signing up with these mailers one by one. And on the side, you see the amount of credits that you have. Now, of course, these credits are sent through your email. You have to go through and check your emails to make sure. I have an emailer that you can. I'm gonna just log out of this so you can see where these mailers go to. Now you can sign up in the back office what you want your contact email to be from versus. Now I advise you to have a separate email on file because these mails gonna be bombarding your email box. So you want to make sure that you have emails saved up because that's what traffic exchanges and safelists is about. You view other people's opportunity as well as they view yours, okay? And you can see here on the side where I have all my mailers set, but that'll be another video that I show you guys on how to organize all your emails so your emails can be able to go into each label. So just vice versa, if you see one of these mailers here on the side, you can get them to organize to go directly into those labels instead of going all into your main inbox. So that's just a story for another day, okay? But if you are a paid member of the Referral Frenzy, you can be able to have all this set up in where one click of a button you can send a mail to all of these mailers all at one time, and you can be able to see the statistics on who are clicking on your mails, and then that way you can be able to see if which mailers are working for you, if you have to switch up anything. But that's what this mailer is. You can hit send and they can send up to all of them. So you got to make sure that you have credits within them, and the way you go through to get credits, you have to make sure that you click on those emails to get credits to your credit. And this is one easier way to send those type of credits, okay? If you would like to upgrade, you make sure that you hit upgrade. So I'm going to show you an example of what I mean by this, using this platform, okay? So as I click, now to sign up for one of these mailers, all you gotta do is just click on one of these mailers right here, and then you're gonna edit info so everything can be programmed inside of Referral Frenzy. Okay, so prime example, if I hit select all and I want to send mail, I just click on send mail, and it's going to give me a list of all the mailers that I could be able to mail at this day. Now some of the mailers you